we're going to talk a little bit more about equipment now, and tripods and why we use them. So the big problem that a lot of estate agents have is they go in and they literally just get their camera, their nice expensive camera that they've just bought, and they don't utilize it properly because they just point it downwards at the floor. This is very apparent in small rooms like bathrooms, en suites. They think that, you know, by pointing the camera down and showing off more floor is going to make it look bigger, but in actual fact it doesn't. It closes off the top, so you don't see any of the ceiling. It just makes it feel very encapsulated and small and enclosed. We obviously don't want that. You guys don't want that. You want it to be nice, big, bright and airy. To do that, plonk the camera on a tripod. A tripod has many benefits. So one, it's going to keep the camera steady for a start, so that shake is just not going to be there. But also you can maneuver the camera and tilt it up and down to get it nice and level. So the idea is to get the verticals nice and straight, which you can do. Get the horizontals, if you're taking a nice artsy straight on shot of maybe a designer kitchen, the horizontals are going to be nice and straight, which you can do. But it will just help make your images look a lot better, so that when you do pump through the images through something like PropertyBOX, they're gonna come out at such a better quality and a better standard, and that's gonna make you guys stand out from the rest of the guys.